Luisa, let's go play hide and seek with our bear. You ready? Give me 5. Ay, ay. Pink. Yellow.
Mom, go up!
Okay.
Mom, go down. Wow! It's green. It's yellow.
Yeah. We'll put bears here. Oh, bear.
Let's go hide and seek.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where is Louisa and Bear? There is no Lulu. Oh, Bear! Hello, Bear. Let's find Louisa. Where is Louisa? Here? No, Bear. Maybe here. No. Where is Louisa? I don't know. Let's go find. Where is Louisa, Bear? I don't know. Let's go find her. Maybe here. Quickly! Louisa, I get you here quickly! Oh, be careful. Ah, she is up. Go up.
Mom, I'm here.
Oh, I see you. Where is my Louisa? I will get my Louisa. I will get. Woohoo! Wow! Where is Louisa? Where? No? Louisa, where you are? Okay. Idea. Oh my God! I cannot find Louisa. What to do? Louisa, here! I find my Louisa!
Bye-bye. Next time.
Hello. Hello, teacher.
Hello, children. How are you?
I'm fine.
Yes. Did you come to study?
Yes.
To school? Okay, then sit, please. I am your teacher. My name is Diana. What is your name?
Lulia.
Louisa. Oh, glad to meet you. What is your name, boy?
Вова.
Now we study colors. Lulu, Louisa, you have to be forbidden. Louisa, what color is it?
Red.
Red. Vova, what color is it? What color is it?
I don't know.
Louisa, what color is it?
It's yellow.
Okay, Louisa, you are excellent student. What color is it, Vova?
No.
It is green. Louisa, what color is it?
Purple.
Yes, excellent. Vova, it's not good job then. What color is it? What color is it?
Blue.
Oh, Louisa, don't help Vova. Vova is not good student. 4, 5, 6.
5, 6.
And
10.
you're right. Today I'll give you excellent mark. Count. Vova, count.
1, 2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4, 5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
Okay, I see, Vova, that Louisa helped you. You have to study better.
Mm-hmm.
Bye
Bye bye, teacher.
Bye, teacher.
See you next time.
Hello!
Yeah.
Let's go and open. Woohoo! This,
Yes.
this. What we need? We need someone more.
This Mega, this Lulu to me.
Yes, let's go. Okay, let's start. Oh, look. Let's make. Lulu,
Mommy, Lulu cannot.
what you cannot? Can I help you?
Yes.
Okay. Table this, and we put. So we need pepper. What is it, Louisa? What is it?
Pepper.
Okay, we put pepper.
It's bear.
Put. Okay.
It's onion.
Onion. Yes. Right. Oh, look what I find. What is it?
It's lemon.
Good. What is it?
It's grape.
Yes, you are right. Let's put. What is it? I like this. It's my strawberry. It's my strawberry.
No. Corn.
Yes, you are right. What is it? Nom, nom, nom. What is it? Good. Put. Look what I find it, Louise. What is it?
Eggs.
How much eggs I have?
1, 2, 3.
No, only? Yes, you are right. Let's make fried eggs. Good. Good. Open. Good. Лизочка, take please. 1. Good. Great. And close. Good. Yes, clock.
Okay, go down shut.
It is frying. Лизочка, it's frying, yes.
It's ready.
Ready! Let's try. Let's check. Oh, good. Good.
Bye-bye, Kathy. Bye-bye. Mommy, bye-bye, Kathy.
Bye-bye, Kathy.
Ready. In action. Woo. Ой-ой. Doctor, crying. Okay. Yes. Ой-ой.
To the edge.
Oh.
Assistant. So, hello. I am ready. What I can help you? Did and
Ouch, baby. Oh.
yes, temperature. I think it is. So we need make test. Open mouth. Good. So then, yes. Yes, I see what is the problem. Come here, you will help me. Okay, put in the moderator. Have over. Exhale. Hold on. Good.
So pleased.
Oh, you here. Coughing. We need help with coughing. Take please. Take please. Excuse me, but we need to give you injection. Temperature. Let's check. We need to take your sneezing. Good. Thanks.
Good.
Also, we have coffee. Eat honey, drink tea, water. Be healthy.
Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Wow, stop car. Driver, you have very high speed. Where are you hurrying? Thank you. Oh, Louise, Ivana. Where are you hurrying up? Please stop. No, it's forbidden. High speed, you have to go slowly, okay? Okay, I'll write you FN next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Be careful. Put your cars on the parking, please. Park your cars, quickly. Yes, put on the parking. And you boy, put on the parking, please. Okay, yes, you are right. So, Madam, never put your cars on the road. Never left, okay? Okay, you have to be careful on the road. Do you want to work as a police? Do you want to work? Let's try to work as a police, yes? You will show children how to behave.
What's happened?
No, come on.
Please. Everything is okay? Can I go? Okay, bye-bye.
Bye bye. Madam, document.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Careful.
Bye bye.
Bye.
I have good idea. Let's play with the balls.
Yes.
Look, I only want pink book. What? Oi. No. Louisa, what color is it?
Pink.
Good.
Green.
Green. Book. Oh, what color is it?
Red.
Book. What color is it?
Yellow.
Yellow. Book.
Ow.
What color is it? Oh. Blue. Book. Louisa, what color is it?
Green.
Book. Ow. What color is it?
Red.
Red. Book. What color is it?
White.
Book. Oh. Then what color? What color?
White.
What color? What color? We know colors, yes?
We know colors.
Good. Okay.
Ma, go to jump. Yeah, yeah. Do it. I'm jumping. Let's go. Let's me.
See you next time.